Welcome to Arabic is on channel. If you want to learn Arabic, speak Arabic, read Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is the channel for you. Please like this video if you liked it and share it to anyone who wants to benefit and learn Arabic. Alright, today's letter is the 23rd letter. This is how we read it in the beginning, the middle, and the end. It's called lam, 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 equivalent to letter L in English. And this is how you write it, as you can see. Just like a J, we put a fatha and lamma and kasra and it becomes la, lu, li. And then we put mad bil alif this way, mad bil waw this way, and mad bil ya this way. It'll be la, lu, li with a stretch. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to previous videos so you'll know what I'm talking about. Short vowels and long vowels. The vowels of stretching the letters in words. Alright, so let's put the lam, la, lu, li, and la, lu, li in words so that we can use what we've learned. So writing down some examples, it's going to be la, lu'ba, lamba, and la'ib. La'ib. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to write it. The first one is going to be lam with mad bil alif, the long vowel, and it's going to be read as la, long. The second one is lu'ba, means a toy, lu'ba, lu'ba means a toy. And then lamba means light bulb, light bulb, light bulb, lamba. And then the last one is la'ib, la'ib, la'ib means player or gamer. So I put the mad bil alif this way and it'll be read as la, and it means no, la, la, or la, la, or la. The second one is dhamma, and then sukoon, fatha, and then tanween dham. If you don't know tanween dham, you need to study the previous videos. And this is tanween dham, which is adding n sound with the sound of the dhamma. It's pronounced as lu'batun or lu'ba, means toy. And then we have lambatun, means light bulb. This is how you read it. And then we have la'ib, la'ib bun with tanween dham at the end, or la'ib, and it means a gamer or a player. So those are the words for today using lam in our examples. Alright, now we're gonna study some common words that are very used if you work abroad, overseas, in Arab countries. They're gonna be used a lot in official documents, and they are al-ismu, al-ism, 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 and it means the name, asking about your name. Al-umr, al-umr, this is how you write it, and it means age. How old are you? And then al-jinsiyya, al-jinsiyya means nationality, your country of origin, where you were born and your official papers are from. And then the last one is al-hala, al-hala, status. You could be single or married. So al-hala means status. What is your social status? Al-hala. So this is how you pronounce it. Al-ism, ism, ma ismuka, ismak eh, shu ismak, what's your name? Al-umr, age, how old are you? Addesh umrak, kam umrak, cham umrak, kam umruka. And then al-jinsiyya, nationality. شنو جنسيتك؟ انت جنسيتك ايه؟ شو جنسيتك؟ ما جنسيتك؟ And al-hala is your social status. Again, if you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is a channel for you, whether it's for Quran reading purposes or career purposes or personal purposes. If you liked this video, just leave a like down below and share it to anyone who wants to learn Arabic and benefit.